My story is important. My voice is important. And I am important to you all. My voice is important. My story is important. And I am important to you all. Nkhani Zanga, nimayimela lanza kuvela Nkhani Zanga. Nkhani Zanga, nimayimela lanza kuvela Nkhani Zanga.
Sometimes it is very hard to understand one's situation. My story is important, and your story is also important. We can pass through many situations, but if we work together and express how we feel in our hearts, we can make possible things. Let's feel as one. Every person's story is important to everyone.
We got a lot of people pointing fingers on our lives. We got a lot of people who are trying to put us down, and a lot of people who are trying to shame us hope. But we know we're strong, we know we're tough. If the night is dark, the day is bright.